So this is a, okay, make sure I get stir it. So I let it sit there for a while. And we're looking good. So that you can see some color here. The pigment is kind of has a little bit of opacity to it, but you'll see quite a difference when we run it through the dryer. All right.
Okay.
Oh, that,
Oh, just kidding. Oh,
it's
hold on,
okay.
I want to get it.
I'll be okay. We'll get the next person on there real quick.
Okay.
Okay, just run it through. And I would try running that through twice.
Twice.
Yeah,
Okay.
just take a look because I'm feeling we're still not hot enough. What affects it if you're doing that with some pressure? If you don't put a lot of pressure on it, the flood won't. So I'm just using the weight of the.
So you're just doing one pass. You say one pass?
Yeah, one pass. Yeah. So, which one do you guys want?